Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Western Union by email. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have these three lines where you can go and check out your history, refer a friend, your, of course, mobile pay up settings and everything, the logout button, and how, of course, you can go and send money. Here you have a detailed instructions. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Western Union by email. So it is basically pretty easy. You can either go, of course, to the here on when you're on the website, and of course find the help, which you can go and see here where you have of course contact us. So you have it down here, and here you can go and contact them by different things, so chat, give us a call, find their location, so basically like that. Or of course, if you, as you went to this video, want to go and contact them by their email, to contact Western Union by email, you can use their customer service email address, which is customer service at westernunion.com. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.